How to fix developer option missing on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to know that your developer option may be missing because it has not been enabled. To enable, you need to launch Settings application. Go ahead and tap Additional Settings and scroll to the bottom. Navigate to Developer Options and make sure it is turned on. This is the first way to fix developer option missing on Android. If developer option is still missing, you need to simply go back to your settings. And now tap on About Device, and now you need to check your Android version. Simply navigate to version and you need to see the build number. Tap for 7 times on build number and then your developer option missing will be fixed. Come back. And now, lastly, if none of these steps work, you can factory reset your device. Come back and then tap on search bar on your settings. Tap on factory resets or search for factory resets. And now you need to tap erase all data. And then tap erase all data and then factory reset your device, but before that, make sure that you back up your data first. After that, your developer option missing will be appeared and it won't missed. So I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.